So going into Landslide Lake, it's very, very steep. You gain, I believe, 1,000 meters over the first 6 kilometers. It was the last area that you're really gonna get a lot of water before a big hike up, so I'm just gonna fill up my water bottle. Why you don't mess with avalanches. That is insane. Sometimes it's nice just to slow it down a little bit and take it easy. So often when I'm out here, I'm just so go, 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 gotta get to the location, just gotta see how fast I can get in. Buddy, want a treat? Good boy. Coming up on the summit. Now I need to descend down into there, somewhere along the side. I'll be on this side of the lake. So if you're ever out and walks the track, you see these guys, that means you're right on point. Stay on track, look where the next one is, and keep yourself going. So I think I might have found my spot. Oh, that's our first one. Not gonna keep this guy, he's too small. Of course, we've got a grizzly bear on the other side. There it comes. So that got a little crazier than I was hoping. Of course, a grizzly bear just pops out while I'm fishing. So base camp's all cleaned out, and I'm on my way out. I made it.